Moving on, President Bola Tinubu says accurate information on the size, characteristics and distribution of the nation's population is imperative, both for planning and for the effective delivery of public services to Nigerians. Speaking at the launch of the Digital Civil Registration and Vital Statistics System and the National Geospatial Data Repository at the State House on Wednesday, President Tinubu says Nigeria's population remains the greatest asset the nation wields in the broader mission to become one of the largest economies in the world.
This couldn't have come at a better time than when the National Population Commission is planning for another census of its citizens. President Tinubu says the civil registration and vital statistics system is a basic building block of an identity ecosystem to improve service delivery.
The Commission has made substantial progress in quest to deliver the first digital population and housing census. It is my hope the result of the census will provide the nation with much needed data for development planning and the enthronement of good governance.
The chairman of the National Population Commission highlights the objectives of these projects, which will give timeless access to statistics on vital events.
This transformative innovation is being implemented through a public-private partnership arrangement, PPP, between the MPC and Banksford Technology Limited, a reputable and innovative local ICT solution provider with a track record of success in ICT solution provision with government agencies, with strong support and partnership from UNICEF.
As a collaborative effort, the Identity Management Commission will be playing a huge role in achieving the set objectives.
Linking of the National Identity Management System to the Civil Registry is critical to the long-term strategy. Appropriate links of the identity system to birth records are necessary to ensure that the national identity credential is as robust as possible. And also the sustainability is ensured through integration with continuous mechanisms to register the flow of new persons into the foundational identity systems at birth and death. I must say that this marks an important milestone in the National Digital Identity Roadmap of the country.
Nigeria set as a people, and the country can change the course of action worldwide at the regional level with an efficient civil registration and vital statistics.
When we hear of maternal mortality rates, under 5 mortality rates, or zero-dose children, and the health of our people in terms of statistics, yes, those are statistics that we should care about and use to plan. But behind those numbers are real people who suffer, who are husbands, who are parents, who are children. And this system that we are putting in place will help us track that. But beyond that, we, at least in the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, Mr. President, under your direction, have already committed to make maternal deaths in particular reportable.
As we deploy the digital system, let us remain committed to the vision of a high-performing, inclusive, and right-based focused CRVS in Nigeria, a system that stands as a testament of the nation's dedication to its people.
After the launching, the President inaugurates a National Coordination Committee of Civil Registration and Vital Statistics under the chairmanship of the National Population Commission. He implores them to demonstrate maximum commitment and hard work in ensuring that this task is successful.